How to fix Outlook sync issues. So here I am in the Outlook application. So from here, if you are having some syncing issues with your new emails right here in Outlook, the first thing that you can check is that make sure you have an internet connection. So just click right here in your taskbar and then click your Wi-Fi connections. So just make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi that has internet, because sometimes you are connected to a Wi-Fi but it says right here no internet. So make sure it says connected and secured. So you can also use like a wired connection. So if you have like an Ethernet connection, you can also use that, but make sure it also says connected, because sometimes it can also say no internet. So after you have verified that you have an internet connection, what you can do is try to do a manual sync right here. So to do that, just click the View tab and then click the Sync button right here. So right now it says syncing. So just wait for it to finish. And then after that, you should now have your updated emails right here. So in my case, my emails are already up to date. So that's why it didn't have any changes after finishing the syncing process. So even if, so like for example, even if you have pressed this sync button right here, but you're still having some problems, what you can try to do next is use the Microsoft Repair feature. So to do that, just click on search, go to the control panel right here, then go to programs and features. From here in the search bar at the right, type in Microsoft. Then you should see this Microsoft 365 or Microsoft 365 apps for business. So the difference is that it depends on the account that you are using. So if you are using a personal account, you can just use Microsoft 365. But if you're using a business or a company account, use this one, Microsoft 365 apps for business. And then once you have selected the application that you want to use, just click change. From here, click yes. Then this window will pop up. So you have two options. You have the quick repair and then you have the online repair. So for quick repair, so I suggest doing this one first, because this will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. So after you have used quick repair and then you can see that you're still having some problems, now you can try to use online repair, because this will fix all issues but will take a little longer and will require an internet connection throughout. So you can just select this option if you're having problems after using quick repair. So just choose the option that you want, then click repair right here. So keep in mind that after you've clicked repair, the feature will take a little while, like for a couple of minutes before it finishes. So you just need to wait for it to finish, and then once it's done, open Outlook again, and then your problem should now be fixed. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix the Outlook sync issues. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.